Welcome to Emgotv1. Today we're traveling back to the 1960s where sci-fi TV shows used technology as inspiration. From spaceships to laser guns, the future was on full display in living rooms. We'll explore iconic shows of that era, examining how they used technology to tell thrilling stories. Don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling explorations into TV history. Star Trek. This wasn't just a show, it was a cultural phenomenon. The USS Enterprise, with its warp drive and transporter, defined futuristic space travel. Star Trek explored social issues like racism and war, thought-provoking and entertaining. And let's not forget the communicators, inspiring modern cell phones. The Twilight Zone ventured into the realm of science fiction with a darker, more cautionary tone. It explored the potential consequences of technology. Each episode was a self-contained morality play, using futuristic gadgets and scientific concepts. The Twilight Zone taught us that progress isn't always pretty, and sometimes the future is something to be feared. Lost in Space introduced the Robinson family, boldly going where no family had gone before. They had the robot, a marvel of 60s technology. The robot was a character capable of strength, problem-solving, and humor. It made us wonder, could we build something so complex and helpful yet dangerous? The Outer Limits pushed the boundaries of what was possible, both scientifically and narratively. The show tackled alien invasions and genetic mutations, often with social commentary. The special effects, while primitive, were groundbreaking. The Outer Limits reminded us that the universe is vast and mysterious, and we are just beginning to scratch the surface of its secrets. Thunderbirds, a British series featuring intricate marionettes, captured imaginations with daring rescues and technological marvels. International Rescue, a secret organization, used incredible vehicles like Thunderbird 1 and the underwater Thunderbird 4. They tackled volcanic eruptions and runaway trains, showcasing technology's potential to save lives. Thunderbirds taught us that even with advanced machines, human compassion and bravery make a difference. The Time Tunnel followed two scientists trapped in the past, hopping from one historical event to another thanks to a top-secret government project. It was a history buff's dream, experiencing pivotal moments firsthand, from the sinking of the Titanic to the eruption of Vesuvius. The show's depiction of time travel might seem quaint today, but it captured the wonder and possibility of the space race. The Time Tunnel reminded us that the past is vast and fascinating, full of stories waiting to be told. Doctor Who, a British institution, first graced our screens in 1963. The Doctor, a time traveler from Gallifrey, journeys through time and space in his TARDIS, a blue police box. From battling Daleks to outsmarting Cybermen, Doctor Who used clever writing to explore themes of good versus evil. The show's enduring popularity proves that great storytelling is timeless. Voyage to the Bottom of the Sea took us on thrilling adventures beneath the waves. Set aboard the Seaview, a nuclear-powered submarine, the show explored deep ocean mysteries, encountering giant sea monsters and hostile powers. The Seaview was a technological marvel, equipped with experimental diving suits and mini-submarines. Voyage to the Bottom of the Sea reminded us that the ocean depths hold secrets as captivating as space. To the Batmobile. No list of 1960s action sci-fi is complete without Batman. This campy, colorful series brought the Caped Crusader to life with gadgets and eccentric villains. The Batmobile, with its sleek design and crime-fighting tools, became a pop culture icon. Batman showed that with ingenuity and cool gadgets, you can fight crime. My Favorite Martian brought a comedic touch to 1960s sci-fi. The show followed Uncle Martin, a Martian stranded on Earth, and his human roommate, Tim O'Hara. Martin's abilities like telekinesis and retractable antennae provided slapstick humor. My Favorite Martian reminded us that the best technology brings us closer together. From the starships of Star Trek to the underwater adventures of Voyage to the Bottom of the Sea, these shows shaped how audiences imagined the future and technology. They sparked curiosity and fueled imaginations. Which one is your favorite? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Emgotv1 for more deep dives into TV and film history. See you next time.